Python pass statement. Suppose we have a loop or a function that is not implemented yet, but we want to implement it in the future. In such case, we can use the pass statement. So let's see this. I will use a simple if statement. So let's assume we have n is equal to 10, and we'll do something like if n is greater than anything 5. And imagine we have something like, okay, I will code this later. So maybe you did not complete this code, you just want to do it later. And let's assume we have a print statement just to run. So I'll just say I am tired of coding today. Save, and let's run this. You can see there's an error. It says indentation error, expected an indented block after if statement on line 3. The problem is we don't have a code here, that is why. So you can't do this. So instead of this, all you need to do is just to use the pass statement. Save. And if I clear this, and you can see the code now runs without error because pass has allowed this indentation error to be wiped out and our code runs. Even though we are going to do what we want to do here later, you use pass to jump out of the code to do something else. So pass is just like a placeholder. So maybe you have functions, you have classes, you have loops that you've created, but you are yet to complete the code for each one of them. All you need to do is just to use the pass statements to jump the execution of those codes to the next one. So you can see that pass is important. So let's assume I later come back and I want to fix this. I will just say print. So if n is greater than 5, we'll say, wow, this is a big number. Okay. So save this, clear output, run it. Now I've done the code. So wow, this is a big number, and it also went ahead to print out the other code. But what if I comment this out? Maybe I was yet to do this. With the pass statement, you can jump the execution of this if block. So if I print this, if I run this again, I am tired of coding today. So basically, this is how to use, or basically this is the simple usage of the Python pass statements. I'll see you in the next one.